Welcome back Office Executives. In this particular Excel video, I'll be guiding you a tips in Excel on how to hide your formula. That is, if you want to hide what formula you have utilized to just create your data set, and you want to hide the formulas from others from share after sharing, if you want it to be hidden. So what are the, for example, in this particular column D, I've used the formula rank, while in the column E I have used the formula rep, which is being shown in the formula bar. Now if the user wishes that he doesn't want to reveal what formula he has used to develop this particular worksheet, what will be the steps. So I'll be selecting these two columns. Then I will be right clicking on it, and then I will be going to the format cells dialog box. From there I will be selecting the custom, and not custom, sorry, my bad. I'll be going to the protection tab, and from there I will be checking this particular option hidden, and then I will be hitting OK. Fine. So now I will be going to the review tab, and simply I will be applying this particular option protect sheet, and give a simple formula, simple password 123. OK. And then then again retype the password which I have just provided. Now if you just click on the cells, you can see that in the formula bar, Excel is not showing what formula have you used to populate this result. So how to undo this? Just click on unprotect sheet and then provide the password which I have just provided, which was 123, a simple password. Now if I click on the cells, the password, the formula is being shown in the formula bar. So that's tips of Excel on how you can just hide your formula from viewable to the others. So you have to select the columns or select the cells in which the formula is being applied. After that, go right click and go to format cells. From there you need to go to the protection tab and just check this particular option hidden, and after that just go to review tab and then go to protect sheet and apply the password. So what if I just do these steps instead of applying hidden? So I say from the protection you need to apply this particular option hidden. So if I didn't apply this, haven't this applied this particular option, let's hit OK, and now go to protect sheet, and I'll be providing the same password again 123 and repeating the password 123 and OK. Now whenever I'm clicking on the cells, the formula is still being shown, so nothing happened. So the trick to apply this particular feature in Excel so that the formula is being not revealed. So I'll be unprotecting the sheet, and after that selecting the range of cell, and in this range of cell I need to particularly check this particular option from the protection tab. I need to check this particular option hidden. Only then after applying this particular option, if I go to protect sheet and apply password, only then the password will stay hidden. So I am retyping the password. Now if I click on any cells, the password is not the formula is not being shown in the formula bar. However, you can just but not by selecting the range of cell, just simply click on unprotect sheet and apply the formula which you have just used. Now if you click on the cells in the formula bar, the formula which you have used will be revealed. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.